Electrofusion is the process of welding HDPE pipe and fittings together, using collars through which electricity is passed, generating heat and fusing the elements together. The process is the same for fittings and pipes. Here we'll be welding two pieces of pipe. As well as your pipe and fittings and fusion collars, you will also need a pipe cutter, a chamfering tool, a deburring tool, a pipe scraper, a wax pencil, some suitable cleaning materials, and the electrofusion machine itself. The first step is to cut the pipe. It's vital to ensure that the cut is straight, to ensure good contact between the pipe and the internal face of the fusion collar. Next, prepare the pipe, first of all by chamfering the end, and then with a deburring tool remove any swarf or debris to create a clean, neat finish. Next, insert the prepared pipe fully into the fusion collar, and using the wax pencil, mark the insertion depth. Next, measure and mark an additional 10 mm beyond the insertion depth. This entire area should be clearly marked on the surface of the pipe. Using a pipe scraper, remove the surface from this entire area. Removing this top layer is important to remove any oxidized material and ensure a good weld. Next, with a suitable PE cleaner, clean the surface of the pipe. Also clean the internal surfaces of the fusion collar. The prepared pipe can be reinserted into the fusion collar, and again the insertion depth marked using a wax pencil. This provides a visual guide evidencing that the correct depth has been met during and after the welding process. The electrofusion machine comes equipped with different leads for different pipe diameters. In this case we're using the yellow leads for 110 mm pipe. The leads are attached to the machine and then to the fusion collar, and it's simply a case of pushing start on the electrofusion machine and the welding process is underway. The machine will calculate the correct welding time based on factors such as the ambient air temperature. Note that during the process these two pips will extend, giving a visual indication of a successful weld. For further technical information, including details of rest times, please consult Marley technical literature.